Committed to covering stories about the impact on our environment, and there's an environmental project in the district underway right now that is about to have a huge impact near the monuments and the tidal basin. Beginning Monday morning, a quarter-mile section of Ohio Drive through West Potomac Park will be shut down for as long as 6 years to make way for a long-awaited pollution control project. A detour road across West Potomac Park will be constructed to provide access to the tidal basin from the Lincoln Memorial. That won't open until the end of the summer. Now, if you're asking why this is happening during the busy tourist season and why it's taking so long, well, first, we need to give you a little background on the pollution control project itself because it promises to make the Potomac River cleaner than it's been in more than a century. Here's our Environment Matters reporter, Scott Broom, to explain.
Behind these fences here on Ohio Drive,
this is the West Potomac Park construction staging area.
Construction equipment has taken place of a lot of the athletic fields at West Potomac Park between the Lincoln Memorial and the tidal basin.
This is going to be the ground zero for the Potomac River Tunnel. When we close this portion of Ohio Drive, we're going to replace it with a road.
Musa Wan is vice president of DC Water's Clean Rivers Project. Is this a game changer for the Potomac River?
It is.
Wan's talking about the launch of the Potomac River Tunnel Pollution Control Project, and the drilling starts here. The tunnel will be the size of a metro train tunnel and much deeper underground. It will run 5.5 miles from Georgetown all the way to Joint Base Bowling.
The idea here is to intercept all the sewage and trash that overflows into the Potomac during storm events. It's a huge source of pollution caused by DC's century-old sewage system, which mixes stormwater, raw sewage, and mountains of litter all together, resulting in a filthy brew spilling into the Potomac nearly every time it rains. It's so bad, federal courts ordered a cleanup in 2005.
The Potomac River Tunnel Project will stop the spilling and divert the captured pollution to Blue Plains for treatment. The tunnel will be drilled with 2 gigantic boring machines like these. A similar tunnel along the Anacostia is already built and has captured 17 billion gallons of sewage and 11,000 tons of trash. Another tunnel project is nearing completion in Alexandria. Now it's the Potomac's turn in D.C. at a cost of $810 million. And Musa Wan is ready.
We're going to be capturing 93% of the combined sewer overflows that used to go to the river. The goal in the long term is to make the river fishable and swimmable.
Is it worth all the money?
It is. When we have healthy river, we have healthy cities. I want to go build something which is going to make an impact on people's lives. And I believe this project is going to have an impact for generations to come.
But it will take time. The completion date isn't until March of 2030, nearly 6 years out. Between now and then, drivers and cyclists and walkers, they're all going to be detoured around this short section of Ohio Drive with the aim of cleaning the nation's river. For Environment Matters, Scott Broom, WUSA 9.